Our case files were just full of paper. Constantly, we were always putting paper in the file, putting it in the dockets, putting it in the docket room, taking it out.
One of my main jobs used to be, if court started at 3 o'clock, I would have to get here by 1:30 or 2 o'clock to sign every traffic ticket that had been paid.
Paperwork is getting more and more, constantly.
It would take our magistrates 3 or 4 days after court to input all of the data that was entered during court.
If anybody wanted a record, we would have to go physically into that file room, into the docket room to pull out that file, take that case out, make a copy of it.
I was writing my name sometimes 100, 120 times every day to sign every document, every motion, discovery motion, and things of that nature.
Before Paperless, we had very, very long lines out of the payment window. Customers were getting very anxious. They were delayed because there was such a length of time at the window. How technology is we've got to advance in it. I wanted to go with a company that was going to be motivative and proactive and be able to get exactly what I want to be completely, fully paperless. And that's basically what Benchmark allowed me to do.
Benchmark makes my job much more effective just because it's easy and I can do all the work on the bench.
Now that we're with Benchmark, we input that data live while we're in the courtroom. So therefore, whenever our court session is finished, we don't have any court cleanup. When court is over, we're finished for the day.
The hardest thing to overcome is the change factor. You've got your judges, you have your prosecutors. You have to get them all on board.
I was skeptical, but it certainly did not take long for me to realize that the learning curve is not really a curve, it's almost a straight line. We had 1 week of practice. After that week of practice, it was all go.
Pioneer has been with us from the get-go of this project, and we have had a close partnership with them. The programmers, the support staff, everyone has been on board to help us realize what this court needed.
I have the ability to pull up anything I need immediately when a defendant is in front of me. I can pull up the complaint, I can pull up a traffic ticket. It's right there for me immediately and instantaneously. And when I make my decision, it's just a matter of mashing one button.
I would like to see more courts take this advancement and make this leap and go into paperless, to interface with all the other entities around to where you're not duplicating work over and over and over again. Once you've eliminated that, you'll ask yourself, why didn't I do this years ago?